Let's factor the expression x to the sixth power plus 64 completely. First, let's look at the structure of this expression. Notice that this is similar to the sum of cubes formula, but we need to rewrite it first. We can rewrite x to the sixth plus 64 as the sum of two cubes by recognizing that x to the sixth is the cube of x squared, and 64 is the cube of 4. Now we can use the sum of cubes formula. Remember, for any expressions a and b, a cubed plus b cubed equals the quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus a plus b squared. In our case, a is x squared and b is 4. Let's substitute these values into the formula. Now, let's simplify the second factor. The first term is x to the fourth, the middle term is negative 4x squared, and the last term is 16. The first factor, x squared plus 4, cannot be factored further since it has no real roots. However, the second factor, x to the fourth minus 4x squared plus 16, is a quadratic expression in terms of x squared. Let's try to factor it. If we let u equal x squared, this becomes u squared minus 4u plus 16, which is a perfect square trinomial. It factors as u minus 2 quantity squared, or x squared minus 2 quantity squared. Therefore, our complete factorization is x squared plus 4 times the quantity x squared minus 2 squared. Let's review the key steps. First, we recognize this as a sum of cubes. Then we applied the sum of cubes formula. Finally, we factored the second term as a perfect square trinomial in terms of x squared.